Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this session, we will be discussing two important concepts that every organization should prioritize: social responsibility and business ethics. Both of these areas are critical for building a sustainable and trustworthy organization. Let's break them down, starting with social responsibility. First, let's define social responsibility. It refers to the obligation of organizations to contribute positively to society and the environment. In other words, companies are not just responsible for generating profit, but they also have a duty to give back and ensure their operations benefit the world around them. There are three key areas of social responsibility. Environmental protection. This involves minimizing the organization's impact on the environment by promoting sustainability, reducing waste, and cutting down on pollution. Community engagement. Many organizations give back by supporting local communities through charitable activities, donations, or volunteer work. This helps strengthen relationships between the business and the society it operates in. And then ethical business practices. Social responsibility also means conducting business in a way that is fair and honest. Also, respectful to the stakeholders, employees, customers, suppliers, and the broader community is considered as the stakeholders. Next, let's shift to business ethics. This refers to the principles and standards that guide behavior in business context. It's about making sure that a company's actions are ethical, not just profitable. Here are the key areas of business ethics. Integrity means adhering to ethical principles, being honest, and doing what's right, even when no one is watching. Then fairness. This involves ensuring fair treatment for everyone involved. Let it be employees, customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders. It's about being just and equitable in all business dealings. And then there is transparency, means openness and honesty in communication and decision making are essential. Being transparent with stakeholders builds trust and fosters long-term relationships. Then compliance. Ethical businesses must comply with laws, regulations, and organizational policies, ensuring that all actions are legal and within regulatory frameworks is fundamental to maintaining ethical standards. In summary, social responsibility and business ethics are essential components of a successful and sustainable organization. Social responsibility focuses on making a positive impact on society and the environment, while business ethics ensures that the company operates with integrity, fairness, transparency, and compliance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on business practices and ethics. See you in the next video.